Hi guys, welcome to your best friend channel. Today we're gonna be replacing the hood shock lift support. Remember to use something to support the hood. Use a flat screwdriver to pry open the clamp. And then go to the bottom of the shock and pry open the clamp. Now we can remove the shock by just pulling it out. Hold it and pull out. Same thing for the bottom. Just grab it and pull it out. Now we're gonna clean this. Gonna spray some WD-40. Same thing for the top. And then we're gonna just clean it. Put some grease on them. Before installing the new shock, make sure that the clamps are fully open on both sides. And then now we are going to install the shock by just put it in place, put the top in place and pressed on the clamp. And then put the bottom of the shock in place and pressed on the clamp. Please support me. Subscribe. Thank you for watching.